Good morning, this is Mr. Reyes here to show you that math is a skill that you can learn. So we've both worked through a few problems of simplifying using the distributive property. Now we're going to focus on doing the opposite operation, doing it backwards, factoring. Now, what you do here to refresh your memory is we ask ourselves, what can both of these terms, 4x and 8, what can they both be divided by? Well, you could divide them both by 2, but we're looking for the greatest common factor. And they can both also be multiplied by 4, which is a greater number, and that's what we want to use in this case. So dividing both of them by 4, we decide that we are going to put the 4 on the outside of the parentheses, because that's what we're dividing by. And then we take the quotient, the end result of our division, and put that on the inside. We have the x, and then 8 divided by 4 is going to be 2. So now to work a couple more examples for you. We ask ourselves, okay, what can 5x be divided by? And what can 25 be divided by as well? And the answer there is 5. So we found that greatest common factor. We're going to write that greatest common factor on the outside, do the parentheses. Now what happens when we divide this by 5? It becomes just x. So 5x divided by 5 is just x. And then 25 divided by 5, keep that plus sign, is 5. And this is our end result after factoring. Now 3x and 18, well, they can both be divided by 3. If you need extra help on that, go to the frequently asked questions sheet, find the video on greatest common factor if you're struggling with that part. You write that greatest common factor on the outside and then divide them both by 3. X plus 18 divided by 3 is 6. 21 minus 7. Now both of these can be divided by 7. So we're going to write 7 on the outside. Divide 21x by 7. Now this isn't just going to be x. This is going to be 21 divided by 7 is 3. And don't forget the x as well. Minus 7 divided by 7, I hope you can do that in your head, is 1. Okay, I've worked a few examples. Go back, watch them over and over as many times as you need to get these problems right on your worksheet.